Hi guys, in this video, I'm gonna show you how to buy and sell crypto in Coinbase. First, head into your Coinbase application and then navigate to home. As you can see here, there are 4 icons available in the home screen, which are buy, send, receive, and scan. For this video, we will be featuring first the buy feature. So, how to buy a crypto in Coinbase. Click the buy icon here, and then it will redirect you to the asset page where you can select a asset to purchase. For this video, we will be buying ETH. Click the asset that you want to purchase, and then it will show you the screen where you have to enter the amount you want to buy. After finalizing this, click the review order. And if all details are correct, click the buy now button. And that's it for buying the crypto. Next is how to sell a crypto. Go back to your home screen and then click the My Assets. After going to My Assets, navigate to your portfolio that can be seen in the bottom page of this screen. In your portfolio, you can see the available assets that you have. Select an asset that you want to buy, and then after selecting it, tap the sell button and also type in the amount that you want to sell. Now check in all the details. Review the details if they are all correct or right. Once done, click the review order and then place the order. And that's it. As you can see, we have completed selling a crypto. And that's how you can buy and sell a crypto in Coinbase, and thank you for listening.